Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Peter has chosen his plant of the day today. And plant of the day on a very chilly day today, isn't it, Peter? Really, really is. Coming out of the weather, and can you blame him? Plant of the day today is Leucothoe Curly Red. Now, Leucothoe Curly Red has got green leaves in the summertime, and then in winter, autumn, winter, as the temperatures drop, the leaves become deep, deep red. It's perfect in a potted container or out in open ground. Looks well for 12 months of the year. So you've got usual leaves and deep red foliage. Now, if you want to plant it outside, it's your normal planting, super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom. It's well compost and top on the same bank and around in a potted container, completely in well compost, and then feed it every 5 or 6 weeks during the growing season, March to September, with our high iron feed formula. That's very important for all Leucothoe. But looks well 12 months of the year, really tidy, dwarf evergreen shrub, well worth finding a spot for, isn't that right? So goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.